Going on, guys, I'm Zach. Welcome to Bros React All About One. You know, the other house section in the building. It is what it is, what it is. It is. Do you know what I mean? You'll never walk alone. That is what it is. Do you know what I mean, kid? Thank you very much, Devin, for the donation, mate. Really appreciate it. Hope you keep well, hope you stay safe. Hope you enjoy the videos. And yeah, but no, but yeah, but no, but yeah, but do you know what I mean, kid? Yeah, he wants to react to Simon and Garfunkel quick out. The sound of Madison got squad NYC in 2019. Do you know what I mean?
By the way, this video might get blocked. If it does, you know where it is.
Wherever the block goes, it'll be blocked and shot by YouTube. Do you know, like when they block it, they bloody eat it and then they give us back like
the leftovers,
rusty parts. Do you know what I mean, kid?
What you love to enjoy?
Yeah, but you know what I mean. The fish link down in the description. Do you know what I mean, kid? Yeah, let's go.
Wow, that's them.
Who's them?
Simon and Garfield.
Garfunkel. 1990.
Wow.
2009, isn't it? We've done these before, innit?
Yeah, when he was young.
Amazing to see them again.
Yeah.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Wow. Wow.
Talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping
Come on.
left its seeds while I was sleeping.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound.
Wow, these sound so
of
good.
silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone.
Wow, these sound amazing.
These sounds.
They haven't lost their voice, lad.
No.
They haven't.
In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. Neath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening.
Wow.
People writing songs that voices never.
I barely had sleep last night. I was out last night. Come back home like nearly 2. Do you know what I mean?
He went out at 12 and he come back at 12 minutes past 1.
Nah, do you know, like, didn't get to sleep till late. Woke up early today. I woke up, what, like 8 o'clock in the morning. Do you know what I mean? So it's kicking in.
It was a heavy night, that.
It's kicking in.
Uses the Santa as a
People hearing without listening. People writing songs that voices never share. And no one dare disturb the sound of silence. words that I do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach out to you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed.
Let us know, guys, are they still with us?
Yeah, because this was 2009,
Yeah.
and it's like
In
over 10
over
years.
11 years.
Raindrops fell
Yeah, 12, 6,
and echoed in the wells of silence, and the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed its warning
Yeah.
in the words that it was forming. And the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence.
Wow, they're amazing, look.
Yeah,
Wow. It's an amazing song.
And whispered in the sound of silence.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Well, shout out to Simon and
Garfunkel.
Do you know what I mean? This was brilliant.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed this. you
Great
know what I mean?
request, definitely.
Like, it's nice to see, you know, like obviously when they started, they was like young and it was before our time, I think, do you know what I mean? And it's nice to see
They're
them.
still there.
Yeah, and hopefully they're still with us now. We hope you enjoyed it. We thank you for watching. Until next
All
time.
of our
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.